Hello everyone. We're looking at the specimen exam for performance management and the specific topic of the learning curve. I'm here at question 21 in section B, and we've encountered a PM classic. Use the learning curve formula to calculate a cost per unit. For many of you, this might be laborious in using your calculator. I'd like to share a tip that I learned from some of my successful former students. And in a situation like this, they would use the spreadsheet tool from another question to make quick work of this. And I'm going to demonstrate what they do. You can decide if you want to take it or leave it. So, have a look. Learning curve. This is a classic. There's no tricks here. Find the information that we need. We find in the first paragraph 12 hours. That's the time for number one. We have the learning curve, and we find that we have 8 units produced. So we have to find the time for unit number 8. We have the cost per hour. Now here's an important point. Virtually always they give you the learning rate expressed in decimal form. Okay, in this question they didn't, but in the paper version of this they did, so I suspect that's a typo. If for some reason they did not give that to you, check out this video. I show you how to calculate the learning rate from the learning curve. Okay, let's assume we have the negative 0.415 given to us, as they did in the paper-based exam. And what you'll do, you'll go to the navigator here, and you will just cruise forward to section C. Grab a spreadsheet and just borrow it. Okay, so here we are, our spreadsheet, guys. We can do our work right here. Okay, so I'm in a borrowed spreadsheet from section C, and I'm going to use the formula that you know and love, that you've practiced, and I recommend you do this drill at least 5 times in the spreadsheet tool, so it's second nature to you. So the first step is to get the time for 8, and you remember that formula. Y is equal to AX to the power of B. Okay, so we need the time for unit number 1, 12, multiplied by 8 units to the power of minus 0.415. Okay, that's the average time per unit. So we multiply that by 8 units. Multiply by 8. There we go. Now, grab this whole set. I do a copy. I do a paste. I change out the 8s to 7s right here in my formula. Formulas. There we go. 7. We've got the total time for 8, the total time for 7. Now we can get the time for number 8. Everybody, time for number 8, that will simply be equal to that minus time for 7. That number is in the list of answers, but that is incorrect because we still have to turn that into the cost for number 8, everybody, and that's going to simply be the time for number 8 multiplied by $15 per hour. There's our answer, everybody. 45.65. Take that back to question 21. There you go. So you decide if you like that better or if you want to stick with the calculator. Stick with the calculator. I prefer spreadsheet. Okay, good luck. Bye for now.